Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll continue with our fourth chapter, multiplication and division. As we have already started with our problem set 16 till we have completed question number 3. Now we'll start with question number 4. A shopkeeper bought 7 pressure cookers at the rate of 1870 rupees per cooker. He sold them all for a total of 14,230 rupees. Did he get less or more money than he had spent? So here what the question says. A shopkeeper, what he has done, he has bought 7 pressure cookers. Understood? And the rate of one pressure cooker is 1870 rupees. But he has sold all of them at the rupees of 14,230 rupees. Now we have to find whether he has gained profit or loss. So here, first what we are going to do here, first we are going to find the rate of all the 7 pressure cookers what he has brought. As we know, the rate of 1. So we are going to do the multiplication first. So what we will write here? Cost of 1 pressure cooker is equals to 1870 rupees. Now cost of 7 pressure cooker is equals to 1870 multiplied by 7. Now we will do the multiplication here. We know how to do. Yes or no? Yes. Multiply by 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 56 plus 4 60. 7 ones are 7 plus 6 13. So how many at what rate he has bought? 13090, that is 13,090 rupees. So he bought 7 pressure cookers at the rate of 13,090 rupees, but he has sell it at rupees 14,230 rupees. So he get less money or more? More. Yes. So what we will write here first? He sold 7 pressure cooker is equals to 14,230 rupees. So what we will find? So he has get more money, yes or no? So we will write here what? He gain profit which is equals to 14,230 minus 13090. So we will do the subtraction here. 14,230 minus sign 13090. We will do the subtraction here. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 9 we cannot do, we have to borrow. Now, what will be the answer here? 4. 1. 4 minus 3, 1, and here 0. So he got a profit. Yes or no? So we'll write the answer. he got more money that is 1140 rupees. Then he had spent. Understood? Now we will move on to question number 5. 14 families in a society together bought 8 sacks of wheat, each weighing 98 kilos. If they shared all the wheat equally, what was the share of each family? So here 14 families are there in one society. What they have done? They have bought 8 sacks of wheat. Understood? But the one sack of wheat weighs how much? 98 kilos. Understood? So what we have to do? We have to find how much each family will get if they divide all the wheat equally. Understood? So first what we are going to do here? What we will do? We'll find here first weight of 1 sack of wheat is how much? 98 kilo. Weight of 8 sacks of wheat is equals to 98 into 8. We'll do the multiplication here. 98 into 8 is how much? 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 6, 78. So total is how much? 784 kilos. Understood? Now how many families are there? 14 families. So what we'll write? Number of families is equals to 14. So now share of each family is equals to 784 divided by 14. So we will do the division here. 14, 7, 8, 4. First we'll write the table of 14. So 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. And 14 tens are 140. Now we'll do the division. So here 2 digits are there. So we will see the first 2 digits. First 2 digit is 78. So which number is less than 78? Here 14 fives are 70. 8 minus 0, 8. 7 minus 7, 0. 4 will come down. Now here next number is 84 here, 84 is, yes, 14 6 are 84 minus. When we do the subtraction, we get 0 as a remainder. So here all the families will share equally how many kilos? 56 kilos of wheat. Understood? So we will write here the answer. They will share 56 kilos of wheat equally. Now we will move on to the last sum. So question number 6 is what? The capacity of an overhead water tank is 3000 liters. There are 16 families living in this building. If each family uses 225 liters every day, will the tank filled to capacity be enough for all the families? If not, what will the daily shortfall be? So here what is the question says? Question says that the capacity of overhead water means a building is having a tank up on the terrace is having a capacity of 3000 liters of water and 16 families are there in the building. So each family means one family if uses 225 liters every day. So 3000 liters is enough for that building or not? If not, then how much they are falling less? That we have to find in this sum. Understood? So we'll start with the sum. We will write here water used by one family is equals to 225 liters. Water used by 16 families is equals to 225 into 16. We'll do the multiplication here. Six fives are 30. 6 twos are 12 plus 3, 15. 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13. 0. 1 fives are 5. 1 twos are 2. 1 twos are 2. Plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. So here the family is using, means the whole building is using 3600 liters of water. But the capacity of building is 3000 liters. So they are using more water. It means they are not going to have the enough water for their daily uses. So they are falling short of water. So how many liters of short of water? That we have to write here. The capacity of a tank is how much? 3000 liters. So the daily short fall of water is equals to 3600 minus 3000. So when we will do the subtraction here, what answer we will get? 0, 0, here 6 and 0. So the answer is what? 6 600 liters of water will be the daily shortfall. Understood? So this was the last sum. So with this we have done with our chapter number 4, multiplication and division.